GoldenPass Express, legend of the Swiss Alps. Switzerland is a country where nature and technology are in constant dialogue. Imagine traveling from the azure shores of Lake Geneva to the snow-capped peaks of the Bernese Oberland. For over a century, this journey required a mandatory transfer due to the difference in track gauge. But in December 2022, the dream of pioneering engineers finally became a reality. Before you is the GoldenPass Express, not just a train, but a true triumph of innovation that has erased regional boundaries and ushered in a new era of luxury tourism. The secret of this train is hidden in its foundation. In the town of Zweisimmen, something incredible happens. While traveling at 15 km /H, the train changes its geometry. Special bogies move the wheels from the narrow 1 meter gauge to the standard European gauge, and the carriage body is raised by 20 centimeters to perfectly align with the platform at the next station. This process takes just seconds, eliminating the need for passengers to disembark with their luggage. While you enjoy a glass of wine, the engineering wizardry does the rest. Our journey begins in Interlaken, the gateway to the snow-capped peaks of the Jungfrau. Leaving behind the turquoise expanse of Lake Thun, the train rushes into the picturesque Simmental Valley. Where the majestic pyramid of Mount Niesen rises above the horizon, the landscape gradually changes. Wide valleys give way to idyllic alpine meadows and the traditional chalet of the Pays des Nôtes. We pass Gard, a symbol of global luxury, where the famous Gard Palace Castle Hotel stands tall on a hill. Soon we cross the Rusty Graben, an invisible linguistic border. where German gives way to French. The train descends, and suddenly, the sun-drenched Lavaux vineyards, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stretch out the window. Our journey concludes in elegant Montreux, the city of Freddie Mercury, welcoming guests with a mild Mediterranean climate and the blue waters of Lake Geneva. The GoldenPass Express offers 3 levels of comfort, but its heart lies in prestige class. National Geographic has recognized this experience as one of the most luxurious in the world. The cabin has either 9 or 18 seats for maximum privacy. Key feature is the raised floor, 6 centimeters higher than in other carriages. This creates a completely immersive experience. No railings obstruct your view, and you literally float above the landscape. Heated leather seats can rotate 180 degrees, ensuring you always face the direction of travel and never miss a detail. The journey is complemented by an exquisite menu featuring locally sourced ingredients. Owner caviar from alpine sturgeon paired with champagne will be served right to your seat. If you prefer the classics, order a platter of regional cheeses from Gstaad, charcuterie, and Lavaux wines. Here, every ingredient tells the story of the places passing by your window. For the perfect shot, choose the right side if you're coming from Montreux, or the left side if you're coming from Interlaken. The journey is fully covered by the Swiss Travel Pass. You only need to pay an extra fee to reserve a seat. The GoldenPass Express is more than just transportation. It's 3 hours of pure aesthetics, engineering genius, and Swiss hospitality. Welcome aboard, Legend of the Swiss Alps.